Alright, so today we're going to be changing the oil on a Polaris Sportsman 570. We got our 2 quarts of oil, new oil filter, the washer for the plug. We're going to be using this is a T40. You can use an H6 to remove the plug. We're going to use this to put the new oil in, and you might need a rag. Got a bucket to catch the oil. The plug's located right here, right there. So I'm going to take that out. I'm going to set the camera down. Alright, well that's out. I'll go ahead and remove the oil filter. And that's going to be right in here. See it down in there. Now you can use a rag, give you a little bit extra grip. Or you can use a strap wrench, whatever you need. Now beforehand I did rinse all the mud off, because I tend to use mine a lot in the mud. Alright. Now this kit comes with the 2 quarts and the new filter. You get it on Amazon for about $50. If you just buy the quarts by themselves, they're about $20. So you're paying pretty much the same thing. You can just go ahead and get the whole kit. Now, you're gonna rub a little bit of oil on the new filter. And that's still drained. We're gonna go ahead and put the new oil filter in. Now it's gonna go back in there the same way it came out. I'll have to reach around the other side. Anyways, you get the gist of it. That's the location of the filter. This is where you're gonna put your new oil in. Put your dipstick. You can use this that comes with it. Just set it down in there. Pour both quarts in there. Put your plug back on before you do that, of course. And you'll be good to go.